Time to welcome back to Nova Auto, where today we're diving into the new Audi Q8, an elegant sport utility vehicle that focuses far more on style and comfort than brute utility. This is the two-row version of the Q7, but don't think of it as merely a smaller sibling. The Q8 feels sleeker, more athletic, and undeniably bold, with a coupe-like silhouette and aggressive stance that make it stand out on any road. From the outside, the Q8 arrives with presence. Its sculpted roofline flows dramatically to the rear, giving the car that graceful yet powerful profile. The large, angular grille paired with sharp LED headlights project strength. Wide wheel arches house standard 21-inch wheels. And if you want even more attitude, there are available 22-inch options that only amplify its sporty character. Under the hood, Audi equips every Q8 with a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine. This powerhouse delivers around 335 horsepower and a solid 369 lb-ft of torque. It's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, a combination that delivers confident grip and smooth power delivery. To bolster efficiency, Audi adds a 48-volt hybrid system to support smoother stop-start functionality, making everyday driving more refined. Despite its sleek lines, the Q8 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.3 seconds. That's not quite the blistering pace of some sports cars, but for a luxury SUV with commanding road presence, it's more than respectable. Driving the Q8 feels like a delicate balance of strength and comfort. In normal settings, the suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing imperfections with poise. But for those moments when you want sharper feedback, Audi's optional air suspension and available four-wheel steering completely transform the driving dynamic. With those, the Q8 remains composed over uneven terrain and remarkably responsive when navigating tight corners or making U-turns. Brake performance is trustworthy, especially at high speeds. The system is strong and consistent, offering confident stopping power. That said, in heavy traffic or stop-and-go situations, you might notice some variation in pedal feel, but it never feels unsafe or overly strained. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that redefines luxury. Premium materials are everywhere. Soft leather upholstery, elegant stitching, and carefully chosen accents elevate the experience. Even the base model doesn't hold back. A digital gauge cluster offers sharp, customizable displays, and the technology feels modern and intuitive. Heated front seats come as standard, along with a panoramic sunroof that floods the interior with natural light, and a power tailgate for added convenience. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, making it truly comfortable for 5 adults. The driving position is sporty, but without sacrificing the sense of refinement you expect from a top-tier luxury vehicle. On higher trim levels, Audi throws in even more luxury, massaging front seats, upgraded leather, and dual-pane glass to keep things quiet and serene. When it comes to cargo, the Q8 doesn't have quite the space of a 3-row SUV, but it still delivers practicality. You can haul up to 8 carry-on bags behind the rear seats, and if you fold those seats down, that number grows to a generous 23. For easier loading, Audi's optional air suspension lets the rear lower itself automatically, a subtle but helpful touch. Smaller item storage, though, is somewhat limited. The center console is on the shallow side and the door pockets narrow, meaning you won't be stashing large odds and ends easily. Under the right configuration, the Q8 proves its strength off-road or on the trail. When properly equipped with the towing package, it can tow up to 7,700 pounds. That's enough to haul a pretty serious trailer or even a boat, making the Q8 not just stylish, but surprisingly capable. Fuel efficiency is another area where the Q8 punches above what you might expect. Certified at 17 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway, real-world testing has shown even more encouraging results. In some highway driving scenarios, owners have recorded up to 28 miles per gallon. That's impressive for a powerful luxury SUV. For 2025, Audi has updated the Q8 with new standard driver assistance technology, including traffic sign recognition, a smart feature that helps the car sense and react to posted speed limits and other road signs. And with a starting price of around $75,695, the Q8 represents a refined blend of modern style, cutting-edge tech, and premium comfort. In short, the new Audi Q8 2026, building on the qualities of the 2025 model, is not about raw utility. It's about elegance, performance, and refinement. It speaks to drivers who value design, who want the commanding stance of an SUV, but don't want to compromise on driving dynamics or interior luxury. Whether you're gliding down a highway or pulling into a city driveway, the Q8 offers a driving experience that feels both powerful and graceful. If you're after a vehicle that doesn't just transport you, but makes every ride feel intentional, every corner feel composed, and every moment behind the wheel feel a little more special, the Q8 just might be your match. Thanks for joining us at Nova Auto. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We've got more high-end reviews and cinematic car breakdowns coming your way.